Decorum, please, decorum. Your Excellency, Your Excellency, hello. Just one question and we are done. Your Excellency, your assessment about the election. You just passed your ballot a few minutes ago. Your assessment about the process.
Yes, I've done my civic duty, I voted, and as of now, things have been done useful. I hope it stays that way. But I have it on authority information that there is one police officer that they brought to come and do an active job, the APC Osun, from Port Harcourt. They call his nickname London. He's here in Ede hiding. His own job is to come and destroy Ede and then avoid so that he can scare people, shooting, so that they will not vote. So I'm calling the Inspector General of Police to take note. I'm calling